Hello gamers! In today's video, let's see how to get and use Vital Energy in Infinity Nikki. Infinity Nikki, Vital Energy is crucial for engaging in realm challenges, which provide valuable rewards. You can obtain Vital Energy through automatic recovery, gaining 1 point every 5 minutes, up to a maximum of 350 points. This means you can recover up to 288 points daily if you wait for it to replenish naturally. Additionally, you can use energy crystals to purchase 80 Vital Energy for each crystal spent, making this the most efficient method for recovery. Energy crystals are earned by completing quests and leveling up. Alternatively, you can buy Vital Energy with diamonds starting at 50 diamonds for the first purchase, but the cost increases with each subsequent transaction, up to 200 diamonds for the sixth. It's advisable to conserve diamonds for other uses rather than spending them on energy. Vital Energy is primarily used in various realm challenges such as the Realm of the Dark and Realm of Eureka, each costing around 40 points. To maximize your rewards, prioritize challenges that offer better returns and consider saving your energy crystals for higher reward challenges once they are unlocked. Monitor your energy levels is essential. If you reach the maximum limit of 350 points, additional energy crystals will not trigger further recovery until your energy decreases. By managing your Vital Energy wisely, you can enhance your gameplay experience in Infinity Nikki and ensure you're prepared for upcoming challenges. Hope you got value from this.